How to send one-time view pictures on Messenger on Android. This tutorial shows you how to send photos that disappear after being viewed once. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, open the chat you want to send the one-time view photo to. From there, tap on the camera or photo icon at the bottom left of the screen. At this point, take a photo or choose one from your device. In the next step, once your photo is selected, look for Edit option and the One-Time View option. Let me show you. Tap on the timer or loop icon at the bottom of the screen to enable it. Following this, the icon will change to confirm that One-Time View is now active for that photo. Once done, tap on Send to deliver the photo to the recipient. From there, the recipient will be able to open and view the photo only once. After that, it will disappear automatically and cannot be reopened. At this stage, you'll be able to see in your chat when the photo has been opened. It will show a notification once the recipient has viewed it. Here's an important note. While one-time view prevents the photo from being reopened, Messenger cannot stop the recipient from taking a screenshot. If a screenshot is taken, you'll receive a notification letting you know. And that's it. If this guide helped you send one-time view pictures on Messenger, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.